In this video, I will guide you on how to connect your Google TV streamer to mobile phone hotspot. So if you want to be able to share your mobile phone internet connection with your Google TV streamer to stream and access the internet on this device, this is how you want to go about doing that. First things first, on your phone, you want to head over to the settings. You can simply just swipe down and then click on the settings icon at the top notification center, or alternatively, just look for the settings app on your phone. In my case, it is literally over here. I'll select that, and then from the settings at the top search bar, usually you want to go ahead and search for hotspot or mobile phone hotspot, and from here you should be able to see portable hotspot or mobile phone hotspot. On iPhones it is actually called personal hotspot, whichever one, just go ahead and select that. And then at this point, make sure that portable hotspot is actually turned on, just like so. You can as well go over to the set portable hotspot and then go ahead and view your hotspot name and your hotspot password. If you're using an iPhone, your hotspot name is actually your phone's name. So just take note of your hotspot name, which is actually your SSID in this particular case, and then your hotspot password. Once that is done, you want to just click on the check button at the top. Make sure that mobile phone hotspot is turned on. And now you want to come over to your Google TV streamer 4K. Using your remote control, you want to head over to the network and internet settings or the Wi-Fi settings of this device. So press on the home button to get to the home, and then navigate to the top, scroll horizontally until you get to the settings or the gear icon. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll over to the network and internet settings over here, select that as well, and then make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. If it is turned off, you want to make sure you turn it on, and automatically your Google TV streamer 4K will start to search for available devices it can actually connect to. Now you can just scroll down and find the name of your mobile phone hotspot, which is actually the SSID. If you do not find it from over here, scroll down and click on the see all option. Once you click on the see all option, you should be able to find even more hotspots or Wi-Fi names that are not listed over here. Now this is actually the name of my mobile phone hotspot, so I'll go ahead and select it and then just proceed to enter my password as well. Once you're done, scroll down and click on the check button at the bottom, and automatically your Google TV streamer 4K will be connected to your mobile phone hotspot or Wi-Fi network. And at this point, you can go ahead and start streaming or watching content on your Google TV streamer 4K. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.